Alright guys, I'm out here at a local pond. I would have been on the boat today, but we had a lot of prep work to do for this hurricane that's coming. And I'm throwing a 3/8 ounce Cavitron buzzbait. Look at that guy. That's a nice bass. About a 3.5, maybe pushing 4. Really nice one. Out here at a local pond. There he goes. Not as nearly as big as the other one, but that's a solid keeper. Cavitron buzzbait. There he is. Buzzbait. It's a decent one. Not a bad one. Alright, I'm back here. It's Sunday now. Right before Sandy. We're gonna get that layer today. Should really mess up all the water, but I'm here now. Throwing a new North Star spinnerbait I bought with 3 blades on it. So you can see those. Nice 2-pounder. He's really fat. They're really feeding up for the fall now. Here's one on the buzzbait. Booyah. I already missed 2 on this bait. I had him get off. That's not a bad one. That's a good one on a Senko.
There we go. That's the same thing that was taking me before.
Yeah.
Let's bring it along. They're all healthy in here. They're all big and healthy. And it's not a small bass in here.
Nice. Look how fat that one is.
All of them.
Wow.
Every fish. Look at top of the mouth. Just every.
Nice.
A little bit.
4-inch yum dinger. Chartreuse tip. Nice fat one, Johnny.
Thanks. Here. Just turn it. There he goes.
Here's a good one. I got him on the 3/8 ounce Booyah buzzbait. These guys are really feeding up for the fall. So we'll just take a picture of him and put him back. Really nice one.